Okay guys, so I had already done a tutorial on this, but I found a way to play it without a capo as well, so I figured I'd upload that and show that to you guys. So the way you're going to play this one is it's going to be 3 chords again. Your first chord is going to be an F, which is your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your A string, your pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your D string, middle finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, index finger on your 1st fret on your B string, and then your E string is going to be open. And you're picking your your E string and your B string. That's what gives you those 2 notes, and then you're going to be picking with your thumb your G string. And then you're picking your thumb and your ring finger. Your ring finger is going to be picking your E string, your lowest, your tiniest string, and your middle finger is going to be picking your B string. And you pick your thumb and your ring finger at the same time throughout this whole song. So what that looks like is thumb and ring finger, middle finger. From there, you just slide that formation up 2 frets to where your ring finger is on your 5th fret on your A string, your pinky finger is on your 5th fret on your D string, your middle finger is on your 4th fret on your G string, and you're just going to take your index finger off. And then you're going to be picking the same exact strings the same exact way. Thumb and ring finger, middle finger. Thumb and ring finger, middle finger. And then your final chord is a C. That's just your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your A string, middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, index finger on your 1st fret on your B string. And then your ring finger and your middle finger are going to pick the same exact strings, but your thumb is going to pick that A string now. And it's the same exact picking pattern. Except right at the very end there, you add in that G string to go before you start all over. So what it looks like slowly is move up, one more time,